Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second half of the first part. Hope you enjoyed the last one. All right, let's get to it. Let's go. Ooh. Sounds somewhat tribal here. Ooh. I can't tell if that's the bass or a generated synthesizer. Oh my god. She looks amazing. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god. This is amazing. It's freaking amazing.
Look around, everywhere you turn is starting. It's everywhere that you go. You try everything you can to escape the pain of life that you know. With all that space and you long to be something better than you are today. I know a place where you can get away. It's on the dance floor, and here's where
Oh my god. Amazing, amazing. Unbelievable.
Marlon Brando, Jimmy Dean, Grace Kelly, Harlow Jean, picture of a beauty queen. Jean Kelly, Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers, dance on air. They had style, they had grace. Rita Hayworth gave good face. Lauren Catherine Vanitude, Betty Davis, we love you. Ladies with an attitude, fellas that were in the mood. Don't
Oh my god.
You got to let your body move to the music. You got to just let your body go with the flow. You got to just
Oh my god. Oh my god. This was an eargasm. This was an eargasm. My God. Before I get into the song, I want to talk about the instrumentation because I don't want to forget. Those drums were absolutely sick. I mean, they were so, so good in this track. And I love the way she gave this treatment with those drums, that pure pop, 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 pop. This is a great pop. This is an absolute club banger. This is an absolute club hit. This is club status stuff, guys. You know, the treatment that she gave this song with the Hindu type of tribal type of little flavors that she gave this song. This song is naturally a pop song, and it has a lot of fashion themes to it. She's talking about the runway. She's talking about this. She's talking about that. And my gosh, she looks amazing, and I love that thing that she has in her head. She gave this a very very Hindu type of flavor with that beaded beautiful beaded studded headpiece. It looks amazing on her, and even though the girls have it too, there was a lot of moving around and a lot of stuff that she was doing. She must have paid these dancers a lot of money to step on them like that as she walked across their backs. My God, but I love I mean, this song is like, this is an iconic song, guys. I mean, you know, an iconic song, but I love the treatment that she gave this. The treatment that she gave this song was absolutely great. And I love that even though it's not sexual in nature, she somehow was able to fit this into the erotica theme. Into the show, because you know the song is a hit. It's a worldwide hit. I mean, you know, I mean it's a big, 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 well-known song, and you know she's gonna squeeze it in there somehow. But I love what she did with this. I love what she did with this. I love the treatment. I love the sounds. I love the way you know everybody looks here. I want to see other versions of Vogue. I know for this particular purpose, she decided to go this route with it, and she's exposed. You know, she's got her bra and a little short on and stuff like that. But you know, nonetheless, she looks great. I just wanted to emphasize those sounds. The bass. I don't know if that was a generated you know a generated a bass sound that wasn't truly authentic, but I love that because that's what kind of gave that song a lot of that kind of those 90s type of house in a way a pop influences. I love that, but then she mixed it in with those tribal Hindu type of things, and I love that. This was my God, this is the best one so far. This is the best one so far. It just gets better and better. The next one is going to be Rain, and I did a video reaction on that, so I'm interested to see if she's gonna win me over this time with Rain. If she's gonna sing it in the same style, or if she's gonna give it some kind of treatment. I would love to know that, and we'll find out with the next video. Her vocals are good. She included it. Oh my god. Her vocals are good. They're so good. Huh. What song is this? Oh my god. Oh, interesting. She's using the concept from the video into this performance, the umbrellas. And it's probably like she's probably getting changed, getting ready for her next part. Interesting. I like that. Very artsy. I like that. Very, very artsy. Very artsy. I like what she did here, to end the first part of the I think it's three parts that she has in the show. She did a very good job scaling it back, kind of like ending it on a very, very softer side, as she finishes the first segment of the show here. And I like what she did. She actually incorporated the actual song from the video. She didn't really do too much to it, except she included a little Motown in there, which I noticed, and I'm trying to figure out what song that was. Um, I know it was Motown influenced. I just cannot figure the song out. And if you guys know, please, I'm interested in knowing, um, and how she did it there, just to give it some type of lift. I mean, the song itself with that lovely power thing that I like in the middle of Rain. When they raise the bar, they did it here, and they kind of like shined the light to symbolize the sun, as the sun was coming. But I love this for some reason her vocals here, and unlike the video, and I know many of you commented, I love her vocals in all of these songs. Um, I think her vocals were standout in Fever, and I think they were also standout in Rain, all the other songs as well, but for some reason Rain and Fever, for some reason I was able to hear her voice very clear and with a lot of clarity. You know, you have to understand she wasn't moving as much in Rain, and in Vogue she was moving a lot, which was interesting. But Fever, I don't think she was moving as much either. And those are the times when she really gets to be able to vocalize, and you can hear her voice very, very well, and I love it. Her voice in this show is fantastic, guys. This time in her career, 1993, I believe this was, her voice is fantastic, and I love, love, love the last part with Rain. I'm starting to get warm to I'm starting to warm up to Rain, um, and I'm starting to like it. If I have to rate this segment, first part of the segment, I would have to give this a 9. I would have to give this a 9. This has a lot of good stuff. I think the standout song of this one was obviously Vogue. I mean, she knocked it out of the park, with all those instruments and the theme and everything. And I did like Fever. If I have to rank it, I would say Vogue is number one, Fever is number two, um, and in between Rain and Erotica, ugh, I would have to give Rain the next one, and then Erotica last. Um, I liked Erotica, but um, vocally she shined a lot in Rain, and I'm gonna give her that has a slight edge. So that's my hierarchy. I hope I can fit all of these into the first part. I'm going to try to do that. If I can't, I will let you guys know. I may have to do this into four parts, or I'll see what I can do. But otherwise, Madonna really proved herself here vocally. The theme is fantastic. I love it. And I love the instrumentation here in this live show, and it's great. It's great. A good start to a first time reaction for a show like this that's live and it's an erotic album and it's 1983. So I'm looking forward to more Madonna live and I'm looking forward to Confessions, but save Confessions for a little bit later until we finish this one and I'll see you guys for the second half of the erotica show. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe button, and also take a moment to comment, and also submit your recommendations and feedback on Instagram and on Facebook. Looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. All right, guys, take care. Love you guys. Peace.